Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your Tehzib sir, my dear students. And today, what we are going to do? Today, we are going to learn a chapter number 11, money. Got my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood what we have done in yesterday. And today, what we are going to do? Today, we are going to learn looking back, revision, and filling the blanks. Question number 1 and question number 2. These both things we are going to learn today, my dear students. As per schedule, my dear students, if we have a left time, so after money introductions, I will teach you more things about money. Yesterday, what we have done? Yesterday, we have done what is the money, types of the money. Okay, so further here we will going to do and learn the revision of tomorrow's to yesterday's lecture. Okay, so first of all, let's revision of yesterday's lecture, and then we will move on, my dear students, further. Okay, recall. Okay, we will move on our recall. Got my points? Recall our chapter. So, my dear students, as per schedule, we are going to check first of all today's quote, and then we will move on further, my dear students. Okay, first of all, let's check today's quote, and then we will move on further, my dear students. So now I am going to share. Now I am going to present today's quote. So today's quote is what, my dear students? Perform like you were never lost. Means we have to give our performance as we never lost. Got my points all? Understood, my dear students? What I am telling you, we do the performance as like that. We give a performance. Okay, we give a performance as we never lost. Got my points? Understood, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. Now we will move on further, my dear students. I hope you have a remember which chapter number 11. Which chapter we are going to learn? Chapter number 11 we are going to learn. Okay, chapter number 11 we are going to learn money. Got my points, my dear students? Then after we will move on for the counting a money. But before counting money, let's check here looking back. What? Let's here looking back. So my dear students, first of all we checked. Okay, and as per schedule, I was first of all explain you dear how many types of the money. 2 types of the money, paisa and notes. Okay, so first of all I am going to write here the types of the note. Okay, types of money. As per yesterday, my dear students, I am telling you the whole things here. Coins here and here notes. Okay, my dear, here is the coin and here is the notes. This both is what? Types of money, coins and notes. Coins and notes, this both is types of money, my dear students. Got my points? What I am telling you, my dear students? I hope you all are understood, dear. Then further, see here are coins. 1 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coins, and then, my dear students, 10 rupees coin. Okay, 10 rupees coin. Then further here is notes. Okay, notes is what, my dear students? Notes. 10 rupees note, 5 rupees notes, as per we know. Okay, 10 rupees notes, 5 rupees notes, 15 rupees notes, 100 rupees notes, and then after, my dear students, 100 rupees notes, and then after, my dear students, which then after 500, 200 rupees notes now available for us. 500 rupees notes are available, and then after, my dear students, 2000 rupees notes. Okay, this is both notes are available and both notes are coming. So this is a types of coins and notes, my dear students. Okay, this is a both what coins and notes. This is a coins and notes, and this both is type of coins and notes. Got my points, my dear students? Okay, so let's check. Looking back, and how it's written. See, this is a 5 rupees. Okay, and 5 rupees, how we will return? We return as like that. We return as like that, my dear students. Okay, so if a 5 rupees, see, I am going to make a box here. This is a symbol or 5 rupees, and this is a coin of 5 rupees. It's written. Okay, and how we will write the 5 rupees coin? Okay, my dear students, how we will write the 5 rupees coin? So 5 rupees written as like that, my dear students. Okay, got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you, dear, see, as like that we are going to write. As like that, my dear students, we are going to write. Understood? Got my points, my dear? What I am telling you, we write as like that. And this is a paisa. Okay, so we write the paisa as a form of this type of, see, this is paisa, not a 1 rupees, a half of the 1 rupees. Okay, half of the 1 rupees. It's the half of 1 rupees, my dear students. So 15 paisa is written as 15 paisa. Money can be combinations of rupees and paisa. What? Yesterday we have learned what money is a combinations of rupees and paisa. Both are combinations of rupees and paisa, my dear students. So and 5 rupees. This is 5 rupees notes, and this is coin is what? 15 paisa. Okay, 15 paisa. Got my points, my dear students? 5 rupees notes and 15 paisa. Okay, my dear? So how we will return? How can we write? We write as like that. The number of after dot shows a paisa. We return as like that. I am writing here, my dear students, for you. 5. Okay, 5. Then after, my dear students, put the point and 15. Point a dot and 15 paisa. Okay, my dear? Understood what I am telling you, dear? So this is important for us, my dear students. Okay, see, we are going to write as like that. Okay, we are going to write as like that, my dear students. Okay, the money can be a combinations of rupees and paisa. Money is combination of rupees and paisa. Okay, and is written is 5 rupees and 15 paisa. See, 5 rupees notes and 15 paisa, 50 paisa. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood. So as like that, my dear students, we are going to learn this looking back means how, and this type of the method means how we will return. Okay, how can we write, my dear students? So got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you, as per we know, my dear students, as per we know, dear, what is this actually is a paisa, means a paisa and money and notes. How we will return? How can we write? Okay, how can we write our whole things, my dear students? We can write as like that. If a 5 rupees coin, so we write as like that. If a 5 rupees and 15 paisa, so we are going to write as like that. Got my points, my dear students? Okay, so compulsory you have to note down these things, my dear students, in your book. Then we will move on further, my dear students. Compulsory you have to note down these both things, my dear students, and then after we will move on further. My dear students, it's the what looking back and how we return our money. Okay, how we return money. This topic I hope you all are understood. Now we will move on further, my dear students. Counting money. How can we count, my dear students? This is first example, and yesterday I was told you. First is what, my dear students? First is counting money. First is counting money, my dear students. So how we will count, my dear students? Yesterday I was told you and I was taught you, my dear students. But again I am going to teach you today. Counting money. How we will count, my dear students? Ticket to enter the fare cost and family has too much money. How much is it? So here is what first. Again I repeat for you. Tickets to enter the fare cost Arjit's family. This much money, how much is it? Okay, dear. What, my dear? Tickets to enter the fair. Tickets to enter the fair cost Arjit's family this much money. Okay. So, how much is it? Get my points, my dear students? What I am telling you? Okay. So means we have to find how much it, okay, money we have to find a total counts. Put my points. Money we are going to find a total counts. For my dear students, first of all I am writing here the money here. Okay, which note is present or which coin is presenting here, which note is here and which coins is here, my dear students. Okay, put my points, all students. So first of all is what? Is a 10 rupees notes. So I am what writing here, my dear students? It's a 10 rupees notes. Okay, my dear students, what I am writing here? It is the 10 rupees notes. So it's a 10 rupees notes. It's the notes, and then after, my dear students, 50 rupees notes. It's the 15 rupees notes. Got my points, my dear students? Understood what I am telling you? I hope you all are understood. You have to return as like that. First 10 rupees, 15 rupees notes, and here is what? Paisa. Okay, means a paisa. Here is the 1 rupees. My points, my dear students? So how we will return, my dear students? 0.50 paisa. So my dear students, is the 50 paisa means one and half. Okay, it's not a 1 rupees, half of the 1 rupees means 15 paisa. Then after 0.25 paisa. Okay, dear, it is 0.25 paisa. Put my points, my dear students? Understood what I am telling you? Then after is last is what? Last is 1 rupees. Okay, last is what, my dear students? Last is left is 1 rupees. Okay, this is all things important for us, my dear students. So my dear students, we have to describe, I am describing here the whole things. Okay, we have to add only. Okay, so how can we add? So first of all we add as a form. First of all I make a mark here, my dear students. I make a mark here. Okay, so it's done, and I am going to write now addition. What we have to do here? We have to do here the addition. Okay, 10 rupees here. Then after further 50 rupees, 50 rupees here. Okay, dear, what I am telling you? 50 rupees. Got my points already here. So we have done done. Okay, as per we know, my dear students, answer is what? Answer is, we know very well, dear, 6016. See, this is our answer, my dear students. Okay, and left is what? 0.25 means, see, I am writing here 0.25. Here is, then after, my dear students, further 0.5015, then after, my dear students, 1 rupees. Okay, 1 rupees, we put the 1 rupees as it is. Okay, so as per we know, dear, as per we know, what is it's our answer? 61. Got my points, my dear students? See. Okay, so its answer is what? And its answer is, see here, its answer. Its answer is what? 0. See, 5 and 0 plus 5 is equal to 5, and 2 and 5, 7. Okay, so answer is here actually 0.75. Okay, it's our answer. 0.75 is our answer. Got my points, my dear students? Okay, so it's 0.75 is our answer. So dear, we have to do as like that. Okay, what we have to do, my dear students? We have to do as like that. 10 rupees 15 paisa and 0.5015 paisa, and then after, my dear students, 0.25, and then 1 rupees. Okay, 5 plus 0 is equal to what? 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, and 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. We put as it is. So dear, as per I was told you, we have to counting our money as like that. That is a very important for us. Okay, my dear students, that is a very important for us. Understood, dear, what I am telling you? Then after we will move on further. But main answer is what, my dear students? I am going to write a main answer here. 61 rupees and 75 paisa. Okay, my dear students, 60. See, this is our answer. Got my points, my dear students? Understood what I am telling you, my dear students? As like that, my dear students, we have to write a whole things here. Okay, so now we will move on further, my dear students, on second page. So my dear students, see, my dear students, this is correct or wrong? Okay, my dear students, see, this is a correct or wrong? Okay, it's always easier to start accounting from the biggest amount. Okay, so first, what we do the mistake there, we have to write a whole things, my dear students. Okay, what we have to write? We have to write the whole things, my dear students, here. Got my points? So first of all, we always count the bigger notes. So here is which note is the bigger? 50 rupees notes is bigger. Then after 10 rupees notes. Okay, 10 rupees notes is bigger, my dear students. And then 1 rupees, 15 paisa and 25 rupees. Okay, so as per we know, as per we say, my dear students, answer is 61.75 rupees. Okay, this is our answer, my dear students. Got my points, dear? As per what I am telling you, my dear students, understood? 61.75 rupees. It's a very important for us, my dear students. Okay, you have to write these whole things as per we know. So note down this answer and arrangement, my dear students. Okay, always we write the bigger number. Always we write, my dear students, big note. Okay, 15 rupees, then after the 10, 10 notes, 10 rupees notes, and then 1 rupees coin, then 15 paisas coin, and then 25 paisa coin. Okay, 25 paisa. Got my points, my dear students? Now we will move on further, my dear students. FB is the question number 1. How to make 100 paisa make a 1 rupees? Means 50 paisa is equal to make a 1 rupees. Okay, see my dear students, 15 paisa, it's what, my dear students? It's convert into the 1 rupees. It's convert in a rupees. My points, my dear students. 1, it's a 1 rupiah. Okay, it's a coin, my dear students. As we know, my dear students, we write as like that. Got my points, my dear students? As we are not down this wall things, my dear. So my dear students, first 100 paisa make a 1 rupees, dash of 15 paisa coin make a 1 rupees. So my dear students, 100 paisa make a 1 rupee. 1 rupee. Okay, so then after first blank is was 15 paisa coin a make a 1 rupees. Okay, 15 paisa coin a make a 1 rupee. 15 paisa coin make a 1 rupees. So answer what we have to write? Answer we write this is our first answer. Okay, dear. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? Then after a second is what, my dear students? Second is what? Second is B. 25 paise. 25 paise is what? 4 times. Okay, 25 paise is 4 times, my dear students. B. Dash of 25 coins make a 1 rupees. Means how many coins? 4 coins. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. See, my dear students. See, my dear students, this is a 4 coin, 25 rupees 4 coin. Okay, so how many coins we want? 4 coins. Okay, 4 coins. 4 coins, 25 piece, a coin make a 1 rupees. Okay, and here is a what, my dear students? 2 coins of 2 rupees. Sorry, 15 paisa. 2 coins of 15 paisa. Got my points? Then after dash she dash a 15 paisa coin and a dash a 25 paisa coins make a 1 rupees. Okay, so 1 coin of 1 rupees means 15 paisa. 1 coin is for a 15 paisa, and my dear students, further 25 paisa is 2 coin. 2 coins of 25 paisa. 2 coins. Okay, dear, it's our answer. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood. This is a very important for us, my dear students. Question number first. Now you note down this question number 1, my dear students. Compulsory you have to write in your book, my dear. You have to write in your book, my dear. This is a question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Okay, question number 1 is what? Fill in the blanks. Got my points? So you note down in your book, my dear, properly and write the answer. Okay, which coin we have to need? 2 coin we have to need. Okay, 2 coin. Okay, 15 paisa 2 coin, my dear students. 15 paisa 2 coin. We need a 2. So it's make a 1 rupees. 4 coin of 25 paisas make a 1 rupees. And 1 coin 15 paisa coin, 1 coin of 15 paisa and 2 coins of 25 paisa. It's make a 1 rupees. Understood, my dear students? What my points? I hope you all are understood. So thank you so much, my dear students. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you all.